Hi everyone, it's Dan here from Enact Solutions, and this week we're going to share a tip around coaching with you. So have a look at this scene.
So, how do you think your new role's going?
It's good, yeah. Although I'm finding communicating between other teams a little bit difficult.
Okay, maybe you just need to be a bit more assertive. That's what I do.
Okay, yeah, I'll try that.
So this is what we tend to see. It's a really easy trap to fall into. You're asking how things are going, we hear a problem, and we go straight into solutions mode. But we recommend trying the opposite. Actually ask your team members how they might solve the problem. If you do that, you'll get something that looks a bit like this.
So, how do you think your new role's going?
It's good, yeah. Although I'm finding communicating between other teams a little bit difficult.
Oh, right. Oh, so what do you think you could do about that?
I don't know. I mean, I thought that maybe shadowing other teams might give me a bit of an insight into what they do.
Good idea.
So this time around, we've avoided giving advice and we've actually asked for solutions, which increases buy-in, innovation and independent thinking in your organisation. And that is your learning into action moment for this week.